This is the website we built for Louisiana Septic Suckers, an owner-run septic and drain company out of Denham Springs, Louisiana. The moment a homeowner with a backed-up drain lands on the page, the promise is right there. Same-day service, a free quote, and an emergency call button one tap away. The core services are laid out up front: drain cleaning, septic pump outs, and camera inspections, each one answering what a stressed-out homeowner is asking. The story leads with the owner. On every job since 2016, with straight, upfront pricing and honest work. Every service gets its own page: hydro jetting, lift station repair, and more, so the site ranks and converts for each one. It is built to feel like a local specialist, not a national franchise. Reviews turn happy customers into searchable proof, and the phone number sits one tap away from every page. Best of all, it is built to win local search. So when someone types drain cleaning near me, this is the result they find and trust. This is BlakSheep Creative, custom websites that turn local searches into booked jobs. Learn more at BlakSheepCreative.com.